These are currently being modernized elevators at Biomedical Science Tower South in West Oakland, University of Pittsburgh, West Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are 1993 Dover elevators with Innovation Universal fixtures. Now they're currently being modernized with Otis Compass 360 Gen 3. That one's original, that one's currently being modded, and this one's modded. This one just entered service, I think, 4 or 5 days ago. To 10. Just like the main Biomedical Science Tower, just like basic stainless steel cabs. There's Adam right there. Smells like a brand new elevator.
Floor.
We're at 10. Down to 1.
Going down.
Two basic stainless steel cab, brand new redone cab. This elevator was still being modernized when I was here in August. I think it just started its mod at that time. Yeah, so goodbye to the Dover Montgomerys. We joke around that these are Montgomerys because they have innovation fixtures from that time.
First floor.
We're back at 1. That one you can't even access the color, but that one is running. Very close, that's going to be it.